Hey guys, so here's what I learned about the Hoover Dam. It is located on the border of Nevada and Arizona and is one of America's most treasured engineering projects. Construction began in 1930 and it took more than 5 years to complete this project. It is also designated a National Historic Landmark. Every year, millions of people visit the dam. It provides power and water to millions, serving Nevada, California, and Arizona, guys. And if you're ever in Las Vegas, I would definitely recommend touring the Hoover Dam.